It's Jason Widget from the WNPS Dojo. What I wanted to do now is make a video for you about heavy hand and different applications that we can use when we practice the heavy hand. If you've seen my videos or seen Russell's videos on the players, you'll know when we talk about heavy hand, what we want to do is work on the principle of relaxing. The strike shouldn't be tense, your hand should be tense, it should be relaxed. You should let the weight of your arm fall, and when it lands on whatever part of the body you're attacking, that's really where what does the damage, is your ability to stay relaxed and just let the weight naturally fall into your target. What I'm going to show you is an exercise that I do to help develop heavy hand, and we'll come back and take a look at that in a moment. Okay, so as you can see, what I've done is I've got some cinder blocks set up. Please notice there's no spacers because I'm not a fraud. I hate the cheaters who use spacers because you can't really break anything truly and honestly when you're using spacers. And what I use is just a concrete patio block. Stick on there. Again, no spacers. You can see it's sitting right on the base of the concrete. Lay a towel across. Protect my girly hands. But what I'm going to do is, unlike other breaks where they come up and they'll use all their body weight, all I want to do is come in here and let the weight of my hand fall and practice picking up and dropping. And practice breaking that way. Just the weight of the hand. One more time. Again, it's just no spacers, solid concrete. Nothing hidden in my towel, just protect the hand a little.